Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. It is my kids' first day of school. It's only a half day, so I have a little bit of time to run in, get my week of groceries, and that includes stuff to pack my kids' lunches. So let's get in, see what goods they have this week, and I'll share with you my meal plan at the end. Okay, I'm getting these pretzel buns, not for sandwiches, but just to have with potato soup this week. I just thought they'd be good with the potato soup. $2.99. We are having a breakfast dinner, and my daughter asked me to get cinnamon swirl raisin bread for the dinner and for breakfast this week. $2.25. My son wants me to make the nacho Lunchables again, so I need salsa con queso, $1.99. And he likes the white brown chips, $1.95. White bread for toast, $1.29. $1.29. Hot dog buns. I asked my 6-year-old for a dinner idea, and he said hot dogs and white cheddar mac and cheese, which is what he always says. A unanimous agreement on fruit for lunch boxes with strawberries. So I'm only gonna get one of these because they don't look like the best. They're $2.29, and then I'm gonna get green grapes at $1.29 a pound. So we'll see. I'm getting asparagus for a dinner side, $2.99. Although I'm not, it looks gross again. My daughter wanted carrots for her lunch, so I'm getting these. They'll last a while at $1.89. And then my son wanted cucumbers, and these are $1.89 for the pack. For salads, need lettuce, $2.69. Okay, I need milk, $2.61 for 2%. A dozen eggs for $1.02. I'm making potato soup, which means I need half and half, $2.55. Okay, we're getting orange juice. We're having breakfast for dinner this week, and I'm gonna get orange juice, so not the high pulp. I love pulp, my kids don't. $3.19. I need tub butter. This is our favorite, olive oil and sea salt, $3.45, and then just another thing of unsalted butter for $3.19, just to have on hand. My daughter told me she doesn't want me to buy mini avocados anymore. She wants big ones. Sorry, Elsie, I tried. So I'm gonna stick with the minis this time. I like the minis better. They're easier to catch ripe. $1.89. Russet potatoes. Obviously, I need these for potato soup, and I'm just out of them. I was also gonna maybe get mini peppers to go with the carrots, but do you see the fruit flies? They're all over, and all of them look pretty shriveled, so we're gonna leave the mini peppers. Maybe I'll get regular peppers and just cut them up for the week as an option. I think we'll do that. $2.49. I need juice boxes, $2.19. Apple juice, a collective agreement between the children. Oh, we have this from a few years ago. It was super cute, but they're on clearance for $3.50. Pet beds. I thought these are pretty nice looking. 5 or 8 pound weighted cooling blankets. We bought weighted blankets from Aldi a few years ago on clearance. Really nice quality. My kids all like them still. Different bath mats, pretty nice. Organizers, drawer organizers. I feel like a lot of this has been here for a while. The rattan pictures are cute. Some storage bins. Oh, I like these flexible baskets. We have a new bathroom we're just finishing up a remodel on, and this would actually be really nice under our sink, so I'm gonna get one of these. $3.99. I'm getting the gray guy. Okay, I'm getting this cinnamon latte. It smells amazing, and this one made me laugh because I thought, how do you smell like a fall flannel shirt? Well, it's like fall mixed with laundry, and I totally understand the scent. It actually smells like a clean fall shirt, if that makes sense. There's also the pumpkin apple fritter. That smells pretty good. So I'm gonna get that one too. They're $1.89 a piece, and I love me some fall scents, so those will be good. I'm not buying this because I ate the entire bag. I shared with my daughter, but she gave the rest to me because she knew how much I liked it. It was so good. I could have ate it in one sitting. I didn't, but it's so delicious. $2.29. Highly recommend the maple. Okay, so there's some luxury bath mats here. They are already messed up. I know you guys got really mad at me in one video where you didn't see me folding things and putting them back, but it's hard to film with one hand and put things back while I'm filming. $9.99 for the rug. Also, they have these pillowcase with eye mask satin, only $4.99 a piece. Kids hangers, a pet bathrobe, that's hilarious. More pet toys. That's so cute. Oh, the churro maker, I do have that. It works well. I never use it though, so is it a necessary purchase? Probably not. Lots of rando things, a lot of things that have been here for a while. Yeah, everything over here, shoes, pants, clothing, has been here for a while, so nothing new to share. I'm running low on flour, so I will need some more of that to make biscuits for bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit sandwich this week. $2.19 for flour. I need bacon for bacon sandwiches, $3.99, and then leftovers will be used to crumble on top of the vegetarian potato soup. Another pantry staple just running low that I'm replacing, $1.95 for powdered sugar. My daughter asked for chocolate cake mix on the Alexa shopping list. I don't know why. I don't know what she's gonna do with it. Guess they make a chocolate cake, but this is 98 cents. My daughter asked me to make noodles and give them to her cold in her lunch every day, so we're gonna try that. They'll be with olive oil, Parmesan, and seasonings. 98 cents for rotini. Okay, I found 6 of my favorite waters, 89 cents, taking them all. My kids really like these hash brown sticks, and since I'm making another breakfast for dinner, I'm gonna get them again, $2.99. I love mini corn dogs. I think they're so good. No one else in my family, my husband doesn't hate them, but my kids do, and I don't know where I went wrong, but those look so good to me. I don't buy them because I don't need to eat them, but no one else in my family will. They're $6.49 for the box. Mac and cheese bites, dinos, the stuffed shrimp stuff again, all the shrimp trio, lots of shrimp, Asian meals, different wontons. All this stuff looks pretty much the same. I thought these are interesting. Cloud bread, it's 0 carb, sugar-free, gluten-free, made with eggs and cream cheese. So those are $5.39. People probably like that. These look delicious. These are great too, $1.99. Perfect for making soups, sort of fajita blends, $1.99. I wish this was a staple. I've been trying to open my eating windows. I'm a faster with cheese more often, and this dill Havarti looks really good, so I'm gonna get that at $2.99. I love the holiday season, and seeing specialty like cheese trays come out like this and the meat and cheese, it just reminds me like football season's coming, Christmas, holidays, family gatherings. I know it might sound silly or early, but it gets me excited. I'm getting some mild cheddar for the potato soup, $3.59. Okay, my older daughter asked me to buy and keep frozen peas on hand. Can't say no to that. So I'm gonna get a couple bags of these at 95 cents. Well, I'm not getting it this week. It sounded good for last week with the lasagna, $3.99 for the blueberry wine. I did like the winking owl that I bought, but this is still my favorite, and it's such a good value at $3.99. And it's back, yay. Also, they have all of these mums. I am not a plant person. I've told you guys that before, but I know people like to see them. $3.99, lots of choices, colors. I've never noticed the Aldi version of Uncrustables, $3.69 for 4 of them. It's a pretty good value if you're looking for something easier to grab, better than the Uncrustable price. So my Aldi has converted to the self-checkouts, which they have 5 of them. That wasn't here last week. So there's 2 regular checkouts and 5 self-checkouts. Okay, I'm gonna do the self-checkout myself. Here is everything that I have. Any guesses on my total? Okay, my total is $90.36. I feel like I got off pretty good because I'm using a lot of what I have on hand. And we're going out to eat this week. Let's go see my meal plan. Okay, our meal plan for this week. Chili moved from last week to this week, so I didn't need to buy anything for that. We're having potato soup. I make this vegetarian, and then we have things like cheddar cheese, green onion, and bacon that you can put on top. My daughter Elsie requested that. My son requested hot dogs and white cheddar mac and cheese. We have mac and cheese on hand, and then I thought having hot dogs with chili would be good because then I can make a chili cheese dog with leftover chili. I'm making bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. This bacon will also be used as a topper for the potato soup, which will work out well. And then I make homemade biscuits. I'll have the hash brown sticks, OJ, and grapes with that. We are going out to eat twice this week. It's the first week of school. My kids asked if we could have Qdoba for dinner after the first night. It's their favorite. So we're going to get that. And then last week, we didn't end up doing the pizza night with the sparkling lemonade that I planned to make or pick up for last week. We didn't end up doing that. So we're going to do that this weekend as like an end of the first week of school celebration. So we promised our kids we wouldn't not do it. We just bumped it a week. And then we will have another leftover night, probably mainly of the chili and the soup, I'm guessing. So that is our meal plan for the week. Any recipe that I use will be linked below. If you want to see how I make the chili, I know I shared that last week, but it's my favorite recipe for chili. It's so good. I do make it vegetarian, and then I add meat on the end for myself, but you can check out that video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, done and ciao.